Welcome to the demo on Salesforce from CodeFrux Technologies. For any inquiry related to Salesforce demo or training, please visit our website codefruxtechnology.com/salesforce. You can call the number on the top or fill in this form on the right to request a Salesforce demo or any other Salesforce inquiry. This is your mentor and trainer on Salesforce. The agenda for this training is we'll be talking about the cloud computing, what is CRM, what is Salesforce, what are the different editions we have in Salesforce, and what are the different job opportunities that we have in Salesforce, and how CodeFrux can help you get those certifications and have those job opportunities in Salesforce. Cloud computing. Think about cloud computing as a utility service like electricity from power grid. It's a simple idea that can have a huge impact on the bottom line of your business. It is a model that has drastically changed the way we think of software. Gone are the days where businesses used to have their own data centers with bandwidth, server, storage, environment, staging, testing, development, and failover, and a technical team to manage the entire stack on premises for running their business apps. Everything is now moved on the cloud. It is based on a monthly subscription rolled out based on the requirements. This model is referred to as cloud computing. It is not just the consumer apps, but also the business apps run on the cloud. The model has been so effective that it offers security, reliability, scalability, and 24/7 availability. Gone are the days where businesses were worried about infrastructure, maintaining the team, etc. They can now completely focus on building more apps and projects that impact the business. In cloud computing, the different applications run on a shared data center and we plug in like a utility. For example, when we compare Google Gmail.com versus Microsoft Exchange, we understand the difference. Business nowadays are running different kinds of apps on the cloud in different domains. The reason that is being getting so popular is one can be up and running in few days as compared to the traditional software model where it takes months to roll out. In a cloud-based settings, one app is being shared by different businesses and it can scale up to any number of users. It is based on multi-tenant architecture. The cloud evolved back in the 1950s with mainframe computing. The concept of virtual machines was created around 1970. It further enhanced with the VPN in 1990s. And now it came the cloud computing, which allows access to anywhere, anytime, dynamically as a service. Cloud computing addresses three areas of operation. Infrastructure as a service. Infrastructure is termed as hardware, storage, networking, etc. Companies providing infrastructure services are responsible for managing the applications, data, runtime, middleware, and the operating systems. Example for infrastructure as a service is the Amazon Web Services and the Google Computing Engine. Platform as a service. Platform as a service provides platform of computing to the developer community so that they can develop their own apps. It provides a conducive environment that requires minimum coding, and they can be up and running within few days using point and click. Software as a service. Software as a service delivers business applications through a web interface. Example, Salesforce, Google Gmail, Microsoft Office 365, GoToMeeting from Citrix, and WebEx from the Cisco. Different types of cloud computing. A public cloud offers cloud services over the internet. It is vulnerable to security. A private cloud is offered to organizations privately onto their own network through virtual private network. Most companies are now offering hybrid cloud services. In such a model, the infrastructure and storage is offered in a hybrid mode. Say for example, in a hybrid cloud, a subset of private cloud is available in a public cloud or vice versa. Say, consider a case where a business has different vertical markets and they want to serve different clients. So they would host it on a public cloud with data sitting in the private cloud. A community cloud is the one which is maintained by the community and is shared by several organizations. Following are the vendors that offers different types of cloud computing and operations. What is a CRM? A CRM is a concept that provides 360-degree view of the customer. It also helps businesses maintain a strategy. It is completely focused on customer interaction to optimize revenue, profitability, and customer loyalty. With Salesforce in place, companies can focus more on managing their customers rather than on managing the data. It helps improve customer interaction. It helps managers manage in real time, providing a visibility to managers on the activities of the sales reps. It can help track leads from different sources and through reports it can measure the effectiveness of the sales reps. CRM does effect on the bottom line in streamlining the business by reducing cost and increasing sales. It does help in retaining the existing customers and creating avenues for increasing the customer base. It does help in maintaining a long-term relationship with the customers, starting from an initial contact to serving the customer through a product or service, pre-sales and post-sales support. Following is the sales cycle in a CRM tool. The sales rep initially contacts the customer with the product idea or a service. Based on the customer needs, presents an offer, manages the objections based on the customer's interest. It turns into an opportunity, and then finally customer makes a purchase. Let us understand the different CRM terminologies which are common across all platforms offering the CRM accounts. Any organization or a company that we develop a business relationship with is termed as an account. It can be a partner or a prospect, a competitor or a reseller of our products or services. A contact is associated with an account. There can be one contact or multiple contacts associated with an account. Leads. Somebody making a contact initially about product or service to a sales rep is termed as a lead. It could be someone filling in the form on the website or a customer met at the trade fair. When a lead is converted to when a prospective contact makes a purchase, a lead is converted to an opportunity. And each opportunity is associated with one or multiple opportunity products. Reports. Reports are real-time summaries based on the information or the data that is stored in the Salesforce. Reports are analytics. Based on the reports, businesses make strategic business decisions. Salesforce. Salesforce is a company based in San Francisco, California, founded in 1999 by Mark Benioff, who is a former Oracle employee. It's a global cloud computing company and has been ranked the most innovative company by Forbes and Fortune magazine. Initially, it started with customer relationship management product and later on ventured into different Salesforce products that we're gonna see in the next slide. The reason is many aspirants ask is why Salesforce? Not even aspirants, I would say companies. Why do they want to have Salesforce? Cloud computing offers security, reliability, and availability. It does affect and impact the bottom line of the business, reducing the cost. Businesses no longer have to worry about infrastructure. It is accessible anywhere, anytime, using any device. It is no longer accessed just on the web interface. It can be accessed on a smartphone or an iPad. Wherever you are on the go can access Salesforce. The different Salesforce products that we have in the market from Salesforce are Sales Cloud, which targets on the sales and marketing. It provides sales manager with real-time visibility of sales rep activities so that they can forecast on the sales with confidence. The CRM well manages the data so that Salesforce can now completely focus on customers. They can build new strategies. The Service Cloud focuses on the customer service, customer support. Any customer making a purchase has queries on or about the product, which can be served by the service representatives through the Service Cloud. The marketing team can track the leads generated through the website and other sources or through marketing campaigns. They can also measure the effectiveness of the campaigns. The exact target marketing cloud does this. Not only through Salesforce web interface, they can also manage accessing it through the Salesforce One app, which is newly launched Salesforce One app. It is based on the app model, which has made sales office more portable, or rather it's it has turned your app into a portable Salesforce office. Sales, accounts, contacts, leads management is available on the go wherever you are, using any device, anywhere, anytime. Chatter is an enterprise social network. It's a collaboration tool which help you collaborate with your peers, and you can get instant updates in real time on customers' accounts, issues, cases that you are most concerned about. The newly launched Work.com product helps improve Salesforce performance, sales performance management tool. It can transform your workforce sales performance. It helps teams recognize and share accomplishments. It keeps your company and business goals aligned and motivate team members in real time. The encouragement does increase the sales and does affect the bottom line of your business. Here is a graphical or a pictorial representation of the Salesforce cloud platform. Salesforce is an innovative company ranked number 7 by Forbes and Fortune. The simplicity of the user interface provided by Salesforce makes it more usable and leads to better user adoption as compared to other partners. Salesforce does cover all the stages of the Salesforce lifecycle, and any company can customize and configure according to the business requirements. Following are the Salesforce additions provided by Salesforce. Each of these offers different features depending on the subscription. The most popular of all is the Enterprise Edition. Every year, Salesforce provides automatic upgrades. There are 3 upgrades in a year, starting from spring, summer, and the winter. Currently, we have the summer 2014 version. Who can learn Salesforce? There are a wide variety of jobs available in Salesforce. Depending on your role and the job that you have been doing so far, you can select the specific training track or tracks. For freshers, based on the area of that they are interested in, they can venture in. For experienced candidates, depending on the qualification and the work that they have been doing over the years, they can select a specific training track. We offer training in administration and help aspirants clear ADM 201 certification offered by Salesforce. In addition, we offer development training as well, with the basic developer Dev 401, advanced developer Dev 501, and technical architect certification Dev 601 as well. For a candidate without programming knowledge, they can begin with administration and later on venture into development. For folks with little programming knowledge, with programming background, they can directly start on Dev 401 and then gradually take up other tracks, going for advanced and architecture level certifications. The growth of cloud computing has been tremendous. The future of cloud computing is bright. With all infrastructure like storage, bandwidth, computing, power, etc. available on the cloud, it results in more savings by the companies. They no longer have to worry about maintaining infrastructure in-house. The burden goes on top of the companies that maintain the infrastructure, that maintain the platform. On the other hand, there is no compromise with the security and offers portability, reliability, and availability. Above all, it offers working on the go, using any device, anywhere, anytime. Recently, Microsoft and Salesforce have done a global strategic partnership offering better products and services to their mutual clients, improving mobility and CRM experience. The cloud computing is supposed to create 2 million jobs in India and nearly 14 million new jobs worldwide by 2015. The Indian cloud market is supposed to grow by more than 70% over the next few years. With 20 lakh new jobs and 159% growth of demand in Salesforce, with more than 5 million users increasing every day, Salesforce does have a potential to grow in the market. Following are the salary trends in Salesforce. An average Salesforce developer earns more than a web developer or a .NET developer. This is the statistics from taken from the developer.force.com, salesforce.com. Questions. Okay, the first question is, does CodeFlux offer domain knowledge along with knowledge of Salesforce platform? Yes. Our industry experts provide projects in various domains like finance, banking, retail, healthcare, etc. Trainers are corporate experts and does cover projects along with real-time training on Salesforce. What is the course duration? The course duration does vary depending on your requirements. You can either go for a normal track or a customized track. Okay, we take up the next question. What is the mode of the training? CodeFlux technology does offer training offline and online. Offline is in the classroom, online through online video training. Next question is, does CodeFlux provide staffing services? Yes, we have tie-ups with corporates, we have tie-ups with corporate companies, and we get requirements on a regular basis in administration and development, and do offer staffing services. Okay, I will take up this question. Why CodeFlux? What is unique about CodeFlux? CodeFlux has been an industry leader over a decade, and we have been offering Salesforce training and have trained thousands of aspirants and have provided corporate training over the years. We offer training through industry experts with domain knowledge and functional knowledge of the subject. We follow all the quality guidelines in providing training, and the best part is all our trainers are certified themselves by Salesforce. That actually helps us in maintain quality in the training. For any further questions and inquiries about Salesforce, please visit our website codefrustechnology.com/Salesforce. Thank you.